Hey guys, my name is Skulk. This is my take on a fried egg. So make sure your pan is nice and warm on medium heat. Crack your egg in. Wait for the white to set until you see a little bubble pop up. There we go. Then you would add a dash of water, and straight after put the lid on. So you want to steam it nice and hot, and you should feel the top of the lid getting really hot. You would leave your egg there for approximately 2.5 minutes. When you're done, wait for all the water in the pan to evaporate if there's any left. It should evaporate quite quickly. The yolk nice and soft. If you want your yolk a little bit harder, leave it in for another 30 seconds. I usually add some coriander and a little bit of chives. Usually I would fry some tomatoes in the pan as well. There's your quick and easy egg.